Last week, I did that thing where you totally start working by reorganizing your desktop. New folders, new wallpaper. I even renamed a file like that was progress. And the whole time, the real task was sitting there like, hey, remember me? Here's the uncomfortable truth. You're not procrastinating because you're bad at time. You're procrastinating because you're trying to feel better. Procrastination is mood management, not time management. It's not, I don't have time. It's, I don't want to feel that feeling that shows up when I start. Boredom, uncertainty, pressure, that tiny spike of stress. Let's map the loop. Step 1. You get a cue, a deadline, a message, a project you meant to start. Step 2. Discomfort. Your brain goes, this is hard. Or, what if I mess it up? Or, ugh, this is going to take forever. Step 3. Avoidance. You check your phone, you snack, you open a tab you don't need. You do the easiest task in the universe, anything else. And then, this is the trap, step 4, relief. That stress drops for a moment. Your brain learns, avoiding makes me feel better fast. So next time the task shows up, you avoid faster. Procrastination isn't a moral failure. It's a loop that got rewarded. And here's why the loop gets stronger over time. 1. Ambiguity. When the next step isn't clear, your brain treats the whole task like fog. Fog feels unsafe. Fog feels heavy. 2. Stakes. If it matters, it feels like your identity is on the line. So starting feels like stepping into judgment. 3. Perfection pressure. If you believe the first draft must be impressive, you'll avoid writing the first sentence. So the goal isn't to be more motivated. The goal is to make starting feel safe enough to do anyway. Now, 4 tactics. Exactly 4. Simple. Practical. Tactic 1. The micro start. Your only job is to begin for 2 to 5 minutes, not to finish, just to cross the starting line. Open the doc and write 3 terrible bullet points. Put on shoes and walk outside. Highlight 1 paragraph. Make it so small it feels almost silly. That's the point. You're not proving discipline. You're breaking the avoidance spell. Tactic 2. Define the next physical action, not work on my project. That's a cloud. A physical action is something you could film with a camera. Open laptop. Create a file named draft. Write 3 headings. When the next step is concrete, the task stops feeling like a monster. It becomes a door, and doors are easier to open than monsters are to fight. Tactic 3. Time boxing with a stop rule. Pick a short window, 10 minutes, 15, 25. Set a timer. And here's the magic line. When the timer ends, I'm allowed to stop. This lowers the threat. Your brain isn't signing a life contract. It's doing a short sprint. The stop rule makes starting honest. You're giving yourself a safe exit. Tactic 4. Use friction. Your environment is either helping you start or helping you avoid. Add tiny obstacles to distractions. Put your phone in another room. Log out of social apps. Block the top 2 sites you accidentally visit. Keep only 1 tab open. Then remove friction from the work. Leave the document open to the exact spot. Put the book on the desk. Lay out the tools the night before. You don't need superhero willpower. You need better defaults. Put it together. When you notice yourself drifting, do a 60-second reset. Micro start for 2 minutes. Write the next physical action. Set a 10-25-minute timer with a stop rule, and move your phone away. Procrastination is the brain choosing quick relief. So your job is to make starting the easiest way to get relief. Try it today. Pick one thing you've been dodging and run the ritual once. If this helped, subscribe to The Human Code. And comment 1 sentence. My next physical action is. See you next time.